Hello, welcome to today's session where we'll master the take an interview task. Since there's no prep time, we'll focus on thinking fast and speaking fluently to ensure you sound like a confident, natural speaker. For more TOEFL tips and practice, subscribe to myTOEFL and hit the notification bell. Let's keep pushing toward your dream score together. Alumni Center Orientation. You are at an Alumni Center orientation, so prepare for vocabulary like graduation or alumni as you listen. A staff member explains the services available to former students at the university. With a staff member speaking, expect a professional tone while they explain services available to graduates. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. If you need a transcript, please contact the official records office first. Group the request if you need a transcript with the location. Focus on the clear sounds in official records office to maintain precision. The annual graduation reception will be held in Hall B at 3:15. To remember this, visualize Hall B and the specific time 3:15. Ensure your voice falls at the end of the sentence to signal a completed statement. Please fill out your contact details on this form. Focus on the action fill out and the object contact details. Make sure to emphasize the T sounds in contact details for better clarity. All visitor badges should be worn on your outer jacket. Link the words in the phrase should be worn and be careful with the J in outer jacket. Memory-wise, imagine the badge on the jacket. The Alumni Center is located behind the main library. This sentence describes a location behind the main library. Place a strong vocal stress on the preposition behind to help the listener follow the directions. Please do not leave your personal items on the couch. Treat personal items as one chunk to hold in your memory. Pronounce the chi in couch sharply and keep the not clear to emphasize the prohibition. You should sign up for the networking event this week. Break this into the suggestions sign up and the deadline this week. Connect the words and the phrasal verb sign up so there is no awkward pause. Success in the listen and repeat task comes down to rhythm and confidence. Focus on the main chunks of information rather than individual words to maintain your flow. Keep practicing your intonation, and you'll see your scores improve steadily.